Let's get some weather now with Rob Sharpe. So what's the latest on this Queensland rain event?
Yeah, well, it's pretty significant. We've already got some major flooding underway, the worst since 2010 for Quilpie in the southwest of Queensland. So it's starting to build. As you can see, some big falls have already been observed. That pink shading over the last few days, 200 to 300 millimetres. Areas up in the northeast of Queensland, of course, have seen as much as 700 millimetres, and into the Gulf, more than 150 in that dark shading of blue. In the more recent 22 hours or so, we've seen some significant wet weather again right across western Queensland. Widespread falls of 20 to 80 millimetres, and some pockets as high as 110, with the areas of rain still spreading across those areas. Notice in the southwest, it doesn't look like anything, but it's just because we don't have radar coverage out there. Meanwhile, out to sea from Townsville, there's another band of rain and storms, and that could come back over land later on today and increase that wet weather again near Townsville, with heavy falls a chance again. But you can see through today plenty of wet weather, especially in this yellow shaded area where there's a severe weather warning from the Bureau of Meteorology, spreading from just south of Julia Creek to just west of Charleville. So there's potential for totals as high as 200 millimetres in a 24-hour period through today and possibly into tomorrow as well. And that's on top of what's already in the landscape, which is significant flooding. There's our major flooding out near Quilpie, but there's a few moderate floods, including at Boulia, Diamantina Lakes, and also in that river just west of Quilpie as well, with the potential for a lot more river flooding, because look at the forecast. This is into tomorrow and the coming days. The rain band will start to spread into southeast Queensland around late Thursday into Friday and Saturday. And it's on Saturday where we could see those heavy falls on parts of the east coast as well. From Brisbane to Sydney, we could see quite a wet day before it clears out into Sunday for the east coast. That's the most likely scenario. But here's the rain totals expected. North of Port Macquarie, likely above 100. Some parts of southeast Queensland could easily see as much as 200 millimetres. And those 200 millimetre falls are likely in Charleville and Emerald over the next 7 days. With significant wet weather, with potential for falls as high as 400 millimetres. So still a long way to go in that Queensland rain event. But let's have a look at today's weather out on the east coast, where there's still that potential for some showers around. So we've got wet weather at the moment in southeastern Queensland, a few showers through Newcastle, the odd little spot in parts of Sydney right now. It'll probably pick up a bit later today on that east coast. But looking across the rest of the country, abundant sunshine through the south and the west, with the heat wave continuing in Perth, heading for 35 today.
Lovely stuff, Rob. Thank you.